Hey, this is day 6 of the MLGS and Clickbank case study. This will be a 90-day study going over how I'm using MLGS to make money with Clickbank. If this is your first time hitting the channel up, make sure you hit the like and button so the algorithm likes me a little bit and this gets out to more people. So basically, I started this study because I seen a couple other people doing the same thing, and they were making some money from using this lead gen source to ClickBank, and also they've been doing it to some other products because I also been testing that as well. So one of the things I want to say is I have a total of 10 accounts. And I don't advise you to get 10 accounts when you're starting out. I would probably say 3 to 5 if you can afford it, because this is how it works. It's $60 per account, and then to start, and then it's $30 after that. So like I said, I started off with just 5 accounts. I have another 5 accounts, but I'm using them to test some other products and stuff like that. So they'll probably be coming down the line when I talk about that stuff as well. But anyway, for this here particular program, this is my lead gen. And what it is it gives you 100 leads per day. And you can double that by doing some cool stuff by link chaining, which that's this, where basically you would normally get a 100, but if you link chain, meaning taking another account and linking it together, you'll be able to get 200 leads in the initial account and in the second account. So you can keep doing that all the way down. And then when you come to the 5th account, basically if you refer somebody and they sign up under you, then they will get 200 leads, and then you will get 200 leads. So how this works, basically, if you do this correctly, you will be getting 7,000 leads per week. And that continues to build and build and build and build. So the one thing that you have to understand in the process, because you're like, oh man, I'm getting 7,000 leads. I should be getting a sale every day, every second. No, doesn't quite work that way, because these leads that MLGS they're pulling in, they're from different people who signed up for different opportunities. So it's a chance that some of those emails could be on their secondary or thirdary email. Like for me, I got a whole bunch of different types of emails, so it can be filtered in that. And then some of them, it can be on their first email, which means that could be the potential email that you've connected with that led to you getting a sale. So, but it takes time also, because if you start sending somebody random emails and they don't know who you are and they only see one of them, the chances are them of seeing that email, reading that email, purchasing something from that email is highly unlikely. What works is persistent. If you always see this person email all the time in the service, then from there you will start seeing some traffic and some sales. So going back into the first page, so basically, like I said, you set it up. Here are some of the things that you get. You get a drip fed of 100 drip fed leads or 200. The problem with this here is you can only send out these leads every 24 hours. And I'm pretty sure they put that together so people aren't sitting there spamming all day long, sending email. So that's why that's put together. So 24 hours. It's actually 23, but I don't know why they don't say that, but it's like a little buffer of an hour. So you can make a little extra money on residuals by having other people that sign up under you, and they helps the channel, or helps my channel. But they also helps you helping each other get to 200 leads. If you get 5 people in 1 week to sign up, you get a $100 bonus. So here are the levels in which you earn referrals. And once you click on my link below, it has all of this information. You can click in there and check it out, all of that stuff. So basically, once you get started, you will start by, let me see, opening this. You will have a bunch of accounts. Like I say, you see I got the 200. So I'll click all of those. I would now send them over. Once I send them over, I've been testing this email for the last couple of days. Normally I send a different email every single day, but what I've been testing is sending the same title, and then I changed the subject in here. But so I'm gonna go ahead and hit load. So this is the email I've been sending out. Wow, it's weird. Some weird stuff today. For some reason, the service that I use, my signature hound. Oh, now it pops in. Came in a little slow today. All right, so but anyway, I use a service called Signature Hound, which is free. Where you're able to go over there and sign up and get a free account. And you're able to create different layouts. For me, it's all about I'm open to you knowing who I am. So I give you a couple options to reach me. You can reach me by text, by email. I got a channel coming out soon, so this is tied to my channel. And this also, I have this where you can get leads. So basically this link here goes to a Clickbank product. It's the #1 Clickbank product that's out right now. So I use that. So I'm going to go over to that. Basically what you would have done is, I don't want to click this because it's going to start all over again, but you would hit your eBusiness, and then from the eBusiness, it's going to go to this #1 offer, which is this one. It's a chat job service, and you scroll all the way down. They start you off with 20 emails. So basically what you do is you take the title, you will put the title here, then you will put the body of the email down here. And then, like I said, I use Signature Hound. I don't know what Signature Hound's problem is today, but I'm going to try and click into it. It hasn't been working right all day today. Signature Hound. Yeah, see, it's even loading slow. Yeah, well, I'm not going to go over that, but you would go to signaturehound.com and sign up for you a free account. And then it's self-explanatory. You will create your email setup like this here, and then after that, you will put this at the bottom of your email setup. And then pretty much that's it. You will send out your emails. Your emails go out. I always use perfect timing. For some reason, that helps out. Helps out with the algorithm and helps you get the emails that you're looking to get out to everybody. So last but not least, so I did, I guess I'm going to have to hit it today. I did get a sale yesterday. So for $17.98, something I wanted to say. So my goal is to get this to $100 per week. Then I want to go up to $300 per week. So that's my entire goal of the whole process. I did hit it for 1 week in the beginning, so it's a work in progress. So I wanted to say this about this. You know, some people are all about, oh man, I'm trying to make $1 million and all that, you know, really quick. And I get it, everybody wants money, but you know, it's that old saying, the the tortoise wins the race. Like, you can go fast and it doesn't quite work as well, but you know, over time it does get better. And so this is what I was thinking. This is just a low end, and I'm just getting started with this. Imagine if $17.98, you can make that accumulatively, because you're going to get some double sales and all that stuff, for 30 days. That's $539 for the month. That covers some sort of bill or two bills, depending on what it is. Well, actually take that back. So now, and then you go minus your 150 because I have 5 accounts. Okay, so it's really $389. So it's probably one bill. Okay, cell phone, something, whatever. But anyway, you times that by 12. Okay, that's $4,672 for the year you've made. That covers quite a few bills. Now, what if you were to do that times, I got 5 accounts, 10 accounts. Like I said, do not jump off the cliff and go get 10 accounts. Learn first and then build. Be consistent. Okay, that's the best way to do it. Just my tip. But anyway, just imagine if you did that twice. Okay, so that's covering a couple bills. That's taken away from whatever you're doing on the side. And then you're building, you're growing. And as you continue to do this, you're going to get better at it. And other things are going to come down the pipeline that'll start working for you. But just for today, just think about that. Like taking your time, learning it and growing it. And then you build this into an income. Well, with that being said, that's it for me today. I'll see you on the next one. If you have any questions, put them in that comment box. I'm here. I'm answering. I'm excited about this. It's growing. All right. See you on the next one.